I will explain how to adjust looper left-right momentum adjustment. There is a screw for momentum adjustment which is located below this plastic oil receiver. When you take out this plastic oil receiver, please be careful not to lose a washer. This is showing how to take out oil receiver safely. There is a nut here. You have to loosen this nut first. After loosening this nut, turn this screw to change looper's left-right momentum. Set tool here and tighten with 2mm hex key. Tighten this screw loosely. This tool needs to move during adjustment. Attach another tool using needle guide screw on the looper. Turn the looper all the way to the right and align the tip of the tool to the zero line. Turn the machine until the looper moves all the way to the left. The standard momentum amount is 55.4 degrees. There is a nut here. You have to loosen this nut first. After loosening this nut, turn this screw to change looper's left-right momentum. Turn this screw to the right to make momentum smaller. Turn this screw to the left to make momentum bigger. This nut is a reverse threaded nut, so turn it to the right to loosen this nut. Use 3/8 wrench. Now let's see how the adjustment would be changed. I will turn this screw to the right for 180 degrees to make momentum smaller. This nut is a reverse threaded nut, so please turn it to the left to tighten this nut. Turn the looper all the way to the right and move the tool by hand and align the tip of the tool to the zero line. And move the looper all the way to the left and see. You see, momentum became less than 54.4 degrees. Now I will put it back to 55.4 degree again. This nut is a reverse threaded nut, so turn it to the right to loosen this nut. Use 3/8 wrench. I will turn this screw to the left for 180 degrees to make momentum bigger. This nut is reverse threaded nut, so please turn it to the left to tighten this nut. Now it's back to the standard momentum amount. Be careful not to drop washer when you attach oil receiver. These two screw holes are weak because of plastic. So please put cover and tighten with these four screws. These two screws should not tighten too much. I am going to explain needle and looper timing. Needle and looper timing will be adjusted by loosening screws at this joint. There are marks at this joint and collar. At the joint, there are three screws, but please note that this screw near to the mark has to loosen lastly. First screw, second screw, third screw. Please loosen this screw last. Make sure do not loosen this screw. This is upside, this is downside. Turn the machine and make needle bar at the bottom end. And set tool with the scale facing up. Use screw for the pressure foot bar. Install the tool firmly. The tool should parallel with lower arm of the machine. Now, needle bar is at the bottom end. Make space 3.97 mm between the bottom surface of the tool and needle bar. 3.97 mm is equal to 4 mm hex key. Turn the machine and touch the needle bar and the tool. Attach timing wire to the looper. Needle bar is still touching at the tool. Timing wire should not touch any place on the machine. Locate tip of the timing wire any place on the scale. Stop the vibration and check the correct position. Turn the shaft to the right and touch the needle bar to the tool. Consider this as first position. Turn the shaft to the left and touch the needle bar to the tool. Consider this as a second position. First position, second position. If the first position and the second position stopped at the same position, the timing is correct. Timing wire can locate any place of the scale. Point is, it should stop at the same position. Now, first position indicates fourth scale from right. Turn the shaft to the left and second position shows fifth scale from right. If there is difference more than one scale, please make adjustment. If second position is more than first position, please follow to move the color this way. Please take out timing tools. This screw located near to the check mark has to loosen lastly. Remember the position of the mark. The scale changes greatly with a small change. I moved about 0.1 millimeter. Very small change I just did. Let's see how the timing will be changed. Set timing tool carefully and check. First position, second position. Now, second position is less than first position. It means I moved too much. Now, please follow this way. So, the adjustment should be less than 0.1 millimeter. You need experience for this adjustment. I made adjustment. Please see correct adjustment. First position and second position. Position is the same. After this, please tighten all the screw and check the timing again to make sure the timing is not changed by making final tighten. First position, second scale from the right scale. Second position is the same position. First position and second position is the same, so correct adjustment.